Hey y'all, how you doing? This is Indigo from Indigo on the Go. I just stepped into the cage with the kangaroos. Y'all can see them behind me. Got a whole bunch of them. But I am going to spend some time checking them out. Alright, stay tuned.